Hello, continue the financial daily report. Today, Dow's closes more than 200 points higher. S&P 500 snaps 6-day losing run as tech resurges. Shusal ripped a higher Monday, recovering their footing after tough week as tech shares rebounded and tension in Middle East dimmed. Traders also look ahead to release of major earnings. So Dow Jones Industry Average climbed 253.58 points, or 0.67%, to close at 38,239.98 points. The S&P 500 traded 0.87% higher to finish their session at 5,010.60. While Nasdaq Composite advanced 1.11% to 15,451.38. Both S&P 500 and Nasdaq ended a 6-day losing streak. So chipmaker artificial intelligence AI favorite NVIDIA climbed 4.4%, bouncing from nearly 14% sell-off last week. It's worst since September 2022. ARM holding also rebounded nearly 7% on Monday. So U.S. crude prices slipped after Iran said it will not escalate the conflict with Israel. Investors had been concerned higher oil prices could contribute to inflation, leading the Federal Reserve to hold off the cutting rates. So there are probably two dynamics at work behind the better tone in global stock markets, the decline in global oil prices, and steadiness in USD, and global FX and risk strategists at Macquarie said, for once, concern over spreading regional war in the Middle East has faded. The movement away from wider conflagration back to shadow war is probably why U.S. bond yields are higher today. So big earning and the data ahead. Company including Tesla, Meta Platforms, American Airlines, Microsoft, Alphabet are all set to report this week. So those earnings reports are likely to determine whether the tech sell-off ends or continue, or perhaps we will continue to see investors differentiate between the growth outlook for some of these high-profile growth companies that have led the market over the last couple of years, and Chris Francis, portfolio manager at Commonwealth Financial Networks. So there's some potentially bigger news in the back part of this week, with GDP due out on Thursday, a K inflation reading on Friday, and a Commerce Department reports personal consumption expenditure price index data in March. The PCE deflator is the Fed preferred inflation gauge. The Federal meets again April 30 to May 1st, with officials now in the quiet period ahead of meeting. And so the stock closed higher, S&P rebounds, and is some positive news today. And the oil price dropped. The West Texas Intermediate contract for May fell 29 cents to settle at $82.85 per barrel, while June Brent future fell 29 cents to settle at 87 a barrel. So U.S. crude oil and Brent fell 3% last week. The two benchmark are up nearly 16% as 13% this year, respectively. So thank you. I will see you next time. You have a good day.